Hi everyone, if you're in the business of emergency response, law enforcement, special operations, this vehicle is for you. I'm Ryan with TriVan Truck Body. We build custom response vehicles for sheriff's departments. And this is a bomb response truck that we just built for El Dorado County Sheriff. Check it out. We have a ramp door here for the robot, which nests inside the truck. Recesses in the floor. And lots of storage on both sides on the inside. This is going to be used for a bomb squad, so we've got places to hang the bomb suits. An area for the operator to sit. Monitor mounts on the front wall. An inverter system that's powered off of batteries. More bench seating. And the pass-through into the cab with a flexible rubber boot. So when the operator is sitting here, you've got contact with the driver. All the shelves are adjustable. LED lighting. So if you like what you see in this video, we'd like to talk to you a little bit more. TriVan's got cooperative purchasing contracts in place with organizations like NJPA and Sourcewell, so buying one of these might be simpler than you think. Also, through interlocal agreements, you can buy these types of vehicles from TriVan Truck Body. On top of that, we have design drawings, we have pictures, videos, specifications, everything you need for your next truck body project. So give us a call, TriVan.com. Look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks for watching.